Wholesale prices, or the Producer Price Index, rose 3.3% year-over-year in December 2024, up from 3% in November, but below the 3.5% economists expected. Prices increased 0.2% month-over-month, below the 0.4% economists anticipated. Core PPI, which excludes food and energy, rose 3.5% year-over-year, exceeding November's 3.4% gain, but below the 3.8% forecast. Month-over-month core PPI was unchanged, defying expectations of a 0.3% rise and lower than the previous month's 0.2% increase. Airfare prices, both domestic and international, jumped in December. This is important because these figures feed into the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index. Following the PPI release, Morgan Stanley increased their core PCE inflation forecast for December from 0.21% to 0.23% month-over-month growth. The December Consumer Price Index report is due out the day after the PPI release. Economists predict core CPI inflation to remain at 3.3% annually for the fifth consecutive month. More detailed PCE forecasts are expected after the CPI data is released. Markets currently predict a low probability of a Fed rate cut in January, at 3%. The chances of a rate cut don't exceed 50% until at least June. A recent strong labor report suggests the Fed will need to see further cooling inflation before considering rate cuts. Credits, script source, Yahoo Finance.